In this video, we're going to be looking at the process of downloading a report from Turnitin. So I've come to, as LT Student 1, I've come to a submission I've made in the past, and I can see under my file submission, I can see my percentage score, which is my similarity report, and I can also see a grade mark tool and a rubric tool. Now, because of the way that we're using Turnitin with PGR students, you're only going to see this percentage score. You're not going to see anything for the grade mark or the rubric, so you're just looking for this percentage score. So when we see the percentage score, we can see that we can click on it, and by clicking on it, it takes us into our Feedback Studio view and it shows us our report. So this has got some feedback and comments on, but we can ignore that for the purposes of this video, because what we're going to be focusing on is how we download the report. So what we want to do is we want to click on download, and we get three options. So we can download the originally submitted file, so essentially what you downloaded minus any Turnitin information. We can download a digital receipt, so a document that details when the work was uploaded into the Turnitin system. But what we want to do is download the current view. So this will be with all the originality information, and we do that by clicking on the downward arrow, and you can see that preparing for download appears, and it begins processing the document and beginning to create it into a PDF. Now, depending on the size of the document and the amount of pages, the amount of text, that can take some amount of time, but you can see this is quite a short essay, so we've already got the PDF down there downloaded. So that will then be in our downloads, and if we open it up and open it using Adobe Acrobat, you can see that we get our culture essay by LT Student 1, and then what we have is the document itself, and then underneath the document we have the report. So we have the similarity index, where those matches are. In this instance, we've got any feedback that was left, and then the rubric marking as well. So you won't have any of the feedback or the rubric, you will just have the matches in the report.